Vaughn, how do you see? You were talking about the probable escalation because of the NATO operating things from Bulgaria and Romania, and it's very good that you said that because we saw many signs in this last week about Bulgarian being really afraid of being attacked. They commented.
Well, I mean,
do you
think
think
about
that is a bigger escalation than shooting down some satellites?
Oh, no. I mean, the satellites, because, I mean, you start taking out satellites, you're taking out, and this isn't my thought. I think it was somebody else like Doug or somebody, but you're taking out people's ability to monitor first strikes, nuclear launches, and you start doing that, then people get nervous because they can't see. And if they can't see, then they might start thinking, hey, maybe they're going to launch, so we better launch now. So, I mean, they're playing that game where they hide out in these countries, but I mean, there's no way that they're not feeding information into these attacks because the Ukrainians can't get their assets close enough, and the only people that can operate.
I think what Russia could do is start to destroy all the US drone on the Black Sea.
Yeah, see, I've heard them talk about doing that before, and that's probably would be the first logical step is just to shoot down a Predator drone or a Global Hawk.
Yes.
I mean,
if you go,
and then you chase out the rivet joints and stuff. You don't even have to shoot them down. You just send this flankers up and act like you're going to intercept the rivet joint. He'll fly away.
Yes.
I mean, just like they do now with they fly around each other and fuck around. I mean, they can become more aggressive, but they do it all the time.
The drone they are flying is not the one that gives them information. I believe the information they are receiving comes from a Starlink. It's covering in fact, like millimeter every seconds. There are more Starlink going by, and they're all equipped with camera. Okay, they monitor everything the Russia is doing, and a bunch of them out there. That's why you see Elon Musk start to pretending.
Hey, I gotta leave for like 15 minutes. I'll be back in like 15.
The Starlink satellites are very small. Very small. They have
a camera strong enough to look at us.
No. You guys are wrong. That is what you guys thought, but you guys were wrong about that. That camera was so powerful enough, even with the radar, with everything was equipped with. Okay, you might think it's a small satellite, but they are powerful enough to ping everything. So that way they could ping every Russian movement.